So I had the Blender kit installed on my previous laptop, which was the MacBook Pro 2017 that came along with 8 gig RAM with a medium class processor speed. Having to execute projects with the machine was very frustrating because it was slow and my render time was impeded. But that didn't discourage me. It only forced me to niche down to only product animations. But now I have a new system, which is Asus. It came along with the 6 gig dedicated graphics card by Nvidia. So I have decided to step up my game and move out of my comfort zone by challenging myself with this car visualization. So, uh, so in this project, uh, everything the scene. This is the scene. This is what they call the scene. The scene, the model, which happens to be the car. Everything was created by an add-on called Blender Kit. So I would advise you to also install Blender Kit on your system so that it can speed up your workflow and all. In this particular project, I only made use of two modifications, which was I set the keyframe for the Toyota Supra, and I set the keyframe for my camera. If you need tutorials on how to properly keyframe an object or an item, check out some of my previous video. And if you need a tutorial on how to speed up your render time, also check out my most recent video. And if you like this demonstration or this presentation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The whole essence of this video was just to feel and understand the strength of my new gaming system, and I am quite impressed. So you too can pick it up. Thanks.